Welcome back. Today I'm talking about knee pain at night, treatments and remedies. So why do you get more knee pain at night? So part of it is because you're settling down for the night. You're not really thinking about much else. That's not a great answer, but it is part of the reason. Another part of the reason is because of the hormones that go through your body. They cycle through depending on the depending on the time of day it is. And at night, you tend to have a bit more cortisol running through your body, especially if you aren't getting good sleep. So that's another reason why you should really focus on getting good sleep, because that can control the cycle of cortisol, which when it goes unregulated can actually contribute to your pain. Okay. And so how do you get rid of this knee pain at night? So a few things that are helpful to get rid of knee pain at night that I'm going to talk about today is pain medication, joint or muscle rubs, massaging the area, heating and using a hot bath, lavender, and sleeping with your knees supported. So pain medication to help you sleep with knee pain. I don't typically advocate for prescription medication, but sometimes it's necessary. If you really can't sleep, you need something to knock down that pain, talk to your doctor and see if a prescription medication is right for you. I do recommend using a pain medication over a sleeping medication if the reason you can't get to sleep is because of pain. Okay. Next one, joint and muscle rubs for pain. I find that using creams like Deep Blue are particularly effective to help decrease pain when you're going to bed. I've tried Asper Cream, I've tried BioFreeze. I just don't find that they're as great at getting rid of pain as Deep Blue is. So that's a personal preference. And then what I also find is that these creams are much better at getting rid of pain that's from a muscle than it is from a joint. So try rubbing those muscle creams into the muscles themselves as opposed to the knee joint. That brings me to my next comment of massaging for knee pain. So you can combine this with the muscle rub, because when you're rubbing that muscle rub in, just do a little extra massage to the area. Rub your knee, rub your muscles. You know, we bump our elbow and we rub it to make it feel better. That actually does work. I recommend doing it for about 5 to 10 minutes before you go to bed. And then you can use a heating pad or take a hot bath for knee pain before you go to bed. I find that using a heating pad can help with pain in your knee right before bed. Even better is taking a hot bath with Epsom salts, and you can either put the Deep Blue oil or some lavender oil into that hot bath. The Epsom salt bath really helps with knee pain because it has magnesium in it, which helps relax your muscles. Lavender oil for knee pain really helps. You can combine this with the hot bath, or you can just diffuse it in the air. I like lavender because it has an overall calming effect. So if you're smelling it, you're rubbing it into your muscles, your skin, and your joints, it overall helps calm your body down. And then finally, sleeping with your knee supported. I do not mean having a pillow underneath your knee, keeping your knee bent all night, but I do recommend stacking up some pillows, getting your leg and your knee to have a big hug. So what you should do is stack up a couple of pillows lengthwise down underneath your leg, your thigh, your knee, your calf, and your foot, all the way down. So then your leg is slightly elevated, it's hugged in those pillows, but your knee is not bent over a pillow all night. Leaving your knee bent over a pillow all night is going to lead to more problems down the line. So just have that whole leg supported and not just the knee. Okay, so that's it. To get better sleep with knee pain, I recommend pain medication, joint and muscle rubs like Deep Blue, massaging the area, using a heating pad or a hot Epsom salt bath, using some lavender in that bath, or just diffusing it in the air, and sleep with your knee, really your whole leg, hugged and supported in some pillows. For more tips and tricks, follow along.